Yes. Here that first question once again say that all of you one more time that, but that last question I'm not happy with the last examination with the continuity, only continuity differentiation you done that. Okay, so all of you one more time you can go through the continuity. Already I gave the very clearly all the question list of questions I gave in classwork. So everybody just once you can go through all the questions and you can do practice that. That is useful to you only. Suppose if you take the continuity means so compulsory we have to prove that condition is more important to us. And what is the condition we have? Compulsory we have to show that f of a is equal to LHL equal to RHL. So any problem you are taking continuity, first we have to find the f of a, then you have to find the LHL, then you can find the RHL separately. Then we have to write. So the three will be equally. The given function is the continuity means continuous at some particular point means the three will be equal. Then you can equate and you can simplify. Okay, that is the way of solving the question. But don't write directly answer. If the within two steps on the answer and without showing that f of a, LH and RHL, but don't find that. That is the one of the major mistake I find in all the papers. Okay, once you can cross check it, any continuity. And suppose Tejshwini, are you there?
Sir.
Yes. Suppose if any function is not defined means, okay, after taking the limit, any function is not defined means first we have to simplify. It means we have to differentiate it. We have to
Okay, sir.
differentiate it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why the problem is more important. Suppose
First,
whatever they given limit we are taking directly, we are substituting there, we got the answer means, but here no twist at all. But here I think that problem, I think you saw that one, I think.
yes, sir.
Verified that? Ah, yes. Okay. Once you can check it.
Okay, sir.
Ah. But don't write it
Sir,
not
did you
defined.
get the paper?
Don't write not defined. That is, we have to differentiate. We have to simplify and we have to write it.
Okay, sir.
Ah. Next, Anirudh, I didn't get. Maybe I think it's loading. Once you can check it. Okay. Next, coming to the today's paper, once you can see now. The first question, all of you got the answer. First one.
Checking some.
Yes, sir.
No?
Can you write the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
I'll just cross check.
Yes, yes. What is the first question that? Please tell me. X square plus xy plus, correct? Y square equal to 100.
Yes, sir.
Here we have to find the dy by dx. You can do directly. Directly, suppose differentiating. And one more thing. Whenever we are differentiating with respect to the variable, we have to mention. Okay. But don't take directly the differentiation. Here we have to write differentiate with respect to. Differentiate with respect to x. That is the more important.
Sir, sir, if I write in short form DWRP,
It's okay. It's fine. That it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. This is the compulsory. Any problem you are taking. Suppose we differentiate with respect to theta. You can write now. Differentiate with respect to the theta. Okay. So differentiate with respect to the y. You can write mention that. Then later you can do the differentiation. And next you can write, but don't take differentiation directly. First step you can write now dy by dx of x square plus xy plus y square is equal to d by dx of 100. Here actually in a subjective and objective we have we get the two lessons there. Subjective, it will be explained that how to write the procedure clearly, and objective is the shortcut within the short time, then how to complete the problem. Understood? No, that is the difference between objective and subjective. Then subjective we have to write in the subjective way only, and objective we have to write in the objective only. Suppose objective question you wrote the complete procedure, no use, because there we require no only answer. But come into the subjective, we require the procedure. Suppose you got the wrong answer, also nothing happen. Suppose you got answer you got wrong, maybe they'll reduce the half mark or 1 mark. The rest of marks will get. The rest of marks then how to get means for the steps. Okay. See every question paper, they'll give the scheme of evaluation. That means for given information, writing that given information, immediately we'll get here now, it is the half mark we will get. Given information and along with that any formula is there means formula. For this we'll get now 1 mark directly, easily. Later for writing that one differentiate with respect to the x and we're applying this d by dx of all those things. But here we'll get 1 mark. For a final answer, you will get 1 mark. This is the way of writing the subjective paper. Understood? Okay, if taken any problem, they'll bisecting each and everything. Suppose the last answer will be wrong. At least you get now. Suppose until that last we done the everything will be correct. Yes, 2 marks will get. Suppose in the second step only you done the mistake. They never see that front. They'll put some into mark here now. Before you suppose any formula is there, you wrote the given information and the formula you wrote, you will get 1 mark. But there also nothing is there, you will get 0 marks. Okay, that is the way of the scheme of evaluation of each and every paper, not only mathematics, you are going to other papers also. Okay, now we can do that. Then differentiation of x means d by dx of x square plus d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square is equal to differentiation of 100 equal to 0 because constant value. Differentiation of x square equal to 2x plus and EV formula you can apply. Then what you get dy x into dy by dx, x into dy by dx plus y. Y into differentiation of x equal to will get 1 only plus this is the 2y into dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 0. Here you can write now since the formula I can mention d by dx of x into y, that means uv we can write. Uv is equal to q into v dash plus v into u dash. It's compulsory because for this step. Then you can simplify. From these two, what is the common? Dy by dx take common now, and these two terms you can transfer to the LHS side and you can find it. Okay, so like that you can write the clearly the procedure.
I didn't wrote that formula, so how much marks will be
It's
deducted?
okay, it's okay. But now I'll give you no problem that one. But in examination, compulsory can mention that because they'll get the confusion. Evaluator, who
So
done
the problem is if we are
how to
doing
get
that,
how to get this step.
sir, the problem is if we are doing, if we are showing every step means in every question, then it's too lengthy, sir. For like,
That's
if
why
we are
no. Actually, it is the +2 or PU. It is the that is the main. Actually, it will be too lengthy only. Understood? No, too lengthy. That's why they give the maximum choice there now. Understood? No, that is the twist. Because otherwise, all of everybody will get out of what? Is correct? Everybody will get out of what? They given sufficient time means. That means within that short time, just we have to complete everything means, but we need to do the more practice. It is the more important. Okay, that's why for +2 and PU, in all the institutes, they'll complete the portion by maximum means November. Because from the December, January and February, 3 months complete revision. Only practice, but same questions. Because by doing the practice, then you'll get more perfection and within the short time, you'll complete the question. Because you know all the steps very clearly, then how much time it will take for each question? Is correct? Okay. Then
Yes,
second
sir.
question. Second one, what is the problem? Tell me. Second one. I don't have any question paper. You want to tell that? Second one.
So given y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square.
That is very easy, Valina.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In inverse trigonometry, we done that one. Is correct. First, you can simplify. At last, you can do the differentiation.
Sir, x is equal to tan theta.
X equal to tan theta, na?
Yes, sir.
We have to substitute x.
Okay. X equal, we are substituting x equal tan theta.
Yes, sir.
Then what
then
will you get?
it
Tell
will
me now.
become
If taken, suppose sin
is equal
inverse
to
of
theta.
1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Is correct? If you take tan theta means, but the center value equal to will get cos 2 theta. I'm correct?
Yes, sir.
Cos 2 theta. But outside we got not the sin inverse of is there. But how do I do this value now? The sin
90
inverse of,
minus
yes, sin 90 minus theta we had read. So 90 minus theta equal to how much? 2 theta. I'm correct? And these will be cancelled. So the value of y equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now we can differentiate with respect to theta on both sides. And theta equal to also, I think we are taking the substitution. X equal to tan theta means then theta equal to how much? Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of, that one I can substitute in there. So pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse of x. 2 tan inverse of x now. Then
I got
differentiate with
this
respect
thing
to
wrong.
x. Then dy by dx equal to, will get clearly, this will be 0, constant value 0 minus 2 into the difference is tan inverse x equal to how much? 1 by 1 plus x square. I'm correct? So minus 2 by 1 plus x square. This is the answer for that.
sir.
Ah.
Sir, in hurry, I forgot to differentiate pi by 2 and I have written directly the answer, sir.
Okay. Because pi by 2 the constant value, it will become that 0. We have to write. And not only this one, you can do one more way also. We can do one more way also. This is, you are taking that y equal to. Is correct? The sin inverse right is side now. It's become that sin y equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay. Then also we get the same answer. At last,
Sir, but that will be more
lengthy,
now.
more lengthy, more lengthy. So you can go through this one. Very easy. Because 3 marks question only, you can do like this. Okay. Next. Question number 3. What is question number 3?
So this one I forgot, sir. I didn't solve.
Anyone?
So cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x is equal to y.
Yes. Here it is the cos x. At the time I told very clear this. This is the more important question. Correct? Cos 2x into cos 3x. So then what we will do that? Immediately can take here now y equal to apply both sides log. Apply both sides log. Then only will get this answer. That means it is the log y equal to logarithm of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Cos 3x. Now log a into log b into log c equal to, what is the formula we have? A property. Log cos x, correct, plus log cos 2x plus log, correct or not? Log a into b into c equal to log a plus log b plus log c. So log cos 3x. Log cos 3x. This is the value of log y equal to. Then differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Then you will get 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x equal to, you can write now sin x minus sin x. Am I correct? Minus sin x. Differentiation of cos 2x equal to how much? 1 by cos 2x into differentiation of cos 2x equal to minus sin 2x
Into 2.
into 2. Again plus 1 by cos 3x into differentiation of cos 3x equal to how much? Minus 3 sin 3x into 3. Okay. Now all you can simplify, require this value. So therefore dy by dx equal to, you can write now. So y into, this is minus sin x by cos x, minus sin x by cos x, plus if anyone done mistake means you can rectify that.
I did it as tan x, minus tan x and then
Okay, it's okay, it's fine that. Plus into minus equal to minus. So 2 sin 2x by cos 2x, cos 2x. Here also minus 3 sin 3x by cos 3x. So all you can write now, sin x by cos x equal to tan x. Then you can write. And y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x whole into, if you want you can take minus common from all those things. Okay. Take minus common, you can take. These all those things will get positive. That means minus of cos x into cos 2x into and cos 3x into, this is the tan x, correct, plus tan 2x plus tan 3x. This is the final answer. Okay. So all of you should remember, compulsory if they given either a power x or e power x, means y equal to. So that kind of questions we are getting means compulsory we have to do the Apply logarithm on both sides. A into B into C, or x power log x, x power log x. So that kind of questions we got means, or x power y, or y power x, and a power x. So that kind of problems you can compulsory you can apply the log on both sides. Okay. And what is the fourth question? What is fourth one? Fourth one. And question number 4 and 5, it will be completely
X
parametric
equals
form.
sine cube t by root of cos 2t and y equal
Ah. X equal to, tell me, Banu?
sine
Sin,
cube t by root
sin
of
cube t by root of
cos 2t.
cos 2t, na?
2t.
Cos 2t. And y equal to
Cos cube t by root of cos 2t.
cos cube t by root of cos 2t, na?
Yes, sir.
This one.
We
So
have to
here
find dy
what
by
is the
dx.
parameter here? T is the parameter. So first you can find separately. If taken the first one, you can write now. Differentiate with respect to t. That is the more important. Differentiate with respect to t. Then what you will get, dx by dt is equal to dx by dt. You can apply the u by v formula. D by dx of u by v equal to, then what we get, v into u dash minus u into v dash whole by v square. Am correct? The quotient rule. The same thing you can apply there. So it is the root of cos 2t into differentiation of sin cube t equal to, then what you get, 3 sin square t into sin t equal to cos t. Am correct? Minus this one you can write now sin cube t into, and differentiation of root x equal to how much? 1 by 2 root x, means 1 by 2 into cos 2t into, again differentiation of 2t equal to, will get 2 only, and 2t will be cancelled. Then take LCM, whole by cos 2t, whole by cos 2t. Now you can take LCM here now. It is the root of cos 2t is the LCM, and the root of cos 2t into root of cos 2t equal, you can write cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t minus sin cube t, minus sin cube t whole by this one. This is, we take reciprocal elements, then you can write now cos 2t. This is the value of dx by
Sir,
dt.
it is sine 2t or missing, sir. Sine 2t.
Here, correct?
Yes, sir.
2 into sin 2t minus, means you get plus here now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus sin 2t into 2. So this plus you can write now sin cube t into sin 2t. Okay. In the same you can take the second one also you can take, but denominator will get the same thing, on the 2 will be cancelled. Then after finding the dy by dt, you can take here now. This is the first equation, this is second equation. Second equation, first equation you can take, and you can simplify it. Already I gave the very clearly the solution in the classwork. Once you can check it.
Sir, I think this is 6-mark question, sir.
Yes.
Very lengthy, sir.
Yes, 6 marks only, but I gave here now 4 marks. Okay. It's fine that. And remain, the other 2 questions are more easy. Very easy questions. Next 2 questions. And one more parametric form I gave. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, next problem also take parametric form only. Yes,
Sir,
in the
overall
same
this
way.
paper was lengthy, sir.
In the same way you can do that. Okay. But these kind of questions are more important. That's why I gave. Clear? So after this class, one more time, the same question paper, once you can go through that. All the questions you can do practice well. But along with that, continuity one more time. Okay. And from the next week, I'll create the one more assignment to you. It is classwork submission. Just I will see. I'm not doing any correction. Just I will see how to
Chapter,
write
sir.
it. Huh? Same. Then the running notes. Running notes only I will see that one. I will see. I will plan that. Okay. First, you can prepare for the examinations. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyhow, tomorrow 2 days time is there. 2 days because no maths class. So these 2 days, one more time you can do practice well that application of derivatives chapter. Okay, sorry, continuous differentiability chapter. The next week Friday, I'll give the full chapter. I'll give full chapter test. I'll give you. On the time, mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem also I'll give. Mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem, and remaining second order derivative, parametric form, and continuity. These are the more important. I think most of the questions I'll give from these concepts only. One more time: continuity, parametric form, and second order derivative, and mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. Okay.
Sir, how many marks, sir?
Same, because within the short time, 25 marks only I'll give you. 20 marks only, 25 marks. Okay, prepared well for next week. Then after that, just we'll start the application of derivatives. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good night. Continue next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.